Hey guys, I hope you had a nice spring break. I hope you're safe. I hope you're healthy. On Friday before spring break, I asked you guys to fill out a form on ways and suggestions, give me comments on what you needed from me to be successful. So I read those comments, I read those suggestions. So thank you to you guys that filled that form out. All right, so let's take a look at some announcements and our agenda for today. So again, don't forget to join me live on Google Hangout during my office hour, 10:30 to 12. I will put a link on this page when it gets closer to my office hours. Please, please, please check your homework from Tuesday, March 17th and Wednesday, March 18th. Even if you didn't do the work, please look at the solutions. Please watch the video for lesson 9. I made a mistake. I know I emphasize a lot about checks. I found that mistake when I performed a check, and I also talk about the word solution. So please, even if you didn't do the homework, please take a look at both of those solutions. Also, I'm thinking about starting a live math class tomorrow at 9:45 a.m. I know some of you may not be able to join that live class. Maybe you're watching your little brothers and sisters. So I'm also thinking about a evening live class if there is a need. Please fill out the form if you fall in that category, but only fill out the form if you cannot do your work during regular school hours. And also this week, I am going to require a 10-minute Google Hangout meeting with you guys. It is mandatory. I just want to meet with you, just talk to you about some things that are going on, see if you have any questions with math, just check on you. All right, so let's talk about today's agenda. Hopefully, it will be pretty easy for you guys. So on Wednesday, I assigned 5 practice problems for you to work on. I ask you to solve those equations. I ask you to find the value of x. I ask you to show all your steps. And some of you didn't follow the directions. So I'm wanting you today to rework that and follow the steps. I have made a video for each of the problems. So what I want you to do is rework them, make them right, and do not attach this assignment to today's assignment link. Attach it to Wednesday. So let me show you real quick. On Wednesday, I assigned practice solving equations, and this is what it looked like. There were 5 practice problems. Please rework those and just resubmit from Wednesday's lesson. Do not attach this assignment to today's lesson. I'm not going to look for it here. I'm looking for it on Wednesday's assignment. So some of you have already got that done. So check for you. You don't have to do that. All right. On Friday, I asked you to write an equation and solve it. I left a comment for every single person that turned it in on Friday. Please update your work from Friday. Please do not press the resolve button. Let me do that, okay? Because I do not want to have to retype those comments that I made on Friday. And also, just resubmit it from Friday's work. There's no need to attach it to today's lesson. So let me just remind you, on Friday, I asked you to, I just asked you to write an equation and just, that was Friday's work. I ask you to write an equation, solve it, come up with your own equation, show all the steps. Your solution must be negative. Prove your solution is correct by showing a check and submit your answer on a Google Doc. This was Friday, so just resubmit Friday's work. And I also want you to continue working on these puzzles. They're really fun. I like doing them too. And don't forget about Dreambox, 6 lessons, 45 minutes. So some of you have easy work today. Some of you have a lot of work to do today. So we'll see you tomorrow at our live class. Bye-bye.